Hey guys, it's Colorado Trailers. We just got in a really nice charcoal blackout 7x16. This has got some extra goodies on it. You guys can view all of our inventory online at getmytrailer.com or always give us a call, 303-688-8485. This one does have the blackout package, gives you the extra tall diamond plate along the bottom, plus you've got that really cool V-nose guard right there. Triple tube tongue with this unit as well. They tow amazing because of that tongue setup right there. Side door has the RV lock and cam bar, so double lock protection, charcoal gray exterior, two 3,500-pound axles, brakes on all fours, aluminum wheels, and a black diamond plate fender. Side vents with this unit. You also have stabilizer jacks underneath, rear ramp door with the spring assist close, and you've got the black diamond plate wrap around the rear door jamb here. Gutters over both your side door and your rear door. 7-foot interior height. This is also set up with our performance nudo floor with Drymax. It's the same floor we throw in our off-road trailers. It's set up to last and be very durable, and you've got 6 D-rings for tie-down points in there as well. One side of your vent is here. The other vent is up there in that top left corner. It's going to give you a natural cross ventilation through the trailer, which is great when you're hauling anything in here with fuel. 4 LED puck lights, so you're going to have some really nice interior light with these 4 LED lights. Overhead roof vent does have an AC brace if you ever wanted to add an AC unit to this later. The structure is already done for you right there. Back side of the RV lock gives you a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. You've got a light switch right here to turn on all of your puck lights. And there's 2 more of those D-rings. 16 feet in total length. And again, 7-foot interior height. 3-year factory warranty. This trailer weighs 2,000 pounds. It's going to give you a 5,000-pound payload capacity. So again, go to getmytrailer.com for pricing, more pictures, and more information. Or always give us a call, 303-688-8485. And be sure to like and subscribe.